Hey everyone, we are at one of my favorite stores, IKEA, and I'm sharing with you the top 20 IKEA deals for 2021. You're not gonna wanna miss these, so we're gonna go inside and I'll show you the best deals. Hey everyone, I am giving away my favorite Cricut Joy machine this month. So to enter to win, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. So hit that little red subscribe button and let me know you're entered down in the comments below. I'm giving away a Cricut Joy to a new subscriber and a current subscriber. I absolutely love this chair. It's $179. I want it so bad for my living room. My IKEA says it's out of stock. I'm hoping this comes back in stock because this is definitely the best chair of 2021. So anytime I shop upstairs at IKEA, I love to get good inspiration. I love the way that they took these books and just flipped them the other way. These look so great on a shelf. So you could do this with your existing books. You could also thrift books like this, and I think they make great decor pieces. For 2021, you definitely want to grab faux plants at IKEA. I have this one in my front room. It's $50, but it's a pretty large plant and it makes a great accent plant. They have it here next to a bookshelf. I have it in my front room next to a dresser. I wanted to show you guys how I created this really inexpensive planter. So this basket was $5 at the thrift store, and then I picked up a can of spray paint at Walmart. I'm gonna do 2 coats just to kind of cover this and give it a fresh look. I love this darker color and I think it looks great with the faux plant from IKEA. So this is IKEA's newest table for 2021, you guys. The concept of this one is that it's an end table that you can pick up and take with you. It's got this white handle and then this wood base. It's $39.99 and it also is available in black. The pegboard at IKEA is such a good deal. It's $14.99 for one of these white squares. You can put a bunch of them together or you can just have one alone. I have the same pegboard in my daughter Caroline's room and it looks great. You can get all these different accessories here too to organize their space. This retractable leash is such a good deal. It's $5.99 for smaller dogs. I think the larger dog's a little bit more expensive, but I use it for Moose and it's great. Welcome to my IKEA kitchen. Oh my God. I wanted to show you the best tray for 2021. I have this tray in my bedroom and absolutely love it. It's only $9.99, so if you're at IKEA, you definitely want to pick this up. So one of the items I bought this year is this 7-hook wall hanging. I did a little DIY on it. I'll show you guys what I did, but it's $14.99 and a great deal if you're needing something like this. So if you want a wide selection of curtains, you want to check IKEA. I think my favorite for 2021 are their white linen curtains. So one thing you may not think to look at IKEA is their handles. They have a big selection of handles. I love these new ones. They're kind of like a fun horseshoe, but they're definitely modern and different. So make sure you check out all the new ones they have at IKEA. Oh, baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. So the pendant lamps are definitely a buy at IKEA for 2021. These are so great. If you can do two, it looks great. I also have them in my dining room and my kitchen. So I'm gonna show you the ones I have. So I grabbed some macrame cord off of Amazon. I also picked up some cream colored twine. I wanted to make tassels to put around the entire piece. So I'm gonna start wrapping the macrame cord around a piece of cardboard. Then I'm gonna take the yarn and tie a knot at the top. I'll cut off the bottom pieces and then I'll use an elastic to put that about an inch down from the top. Then I'm gonna do something a little unconventional and use a dog hairbrush to smooth out all of the macrame so it gives me a loose tassel finish. I don't know how many I made of these, but it was a lot. Then I went through and just tied them all to my lamp. I cut off the excess yarn and then I also trimmed them at the bottom to make them as even as possible. And here's how it looks in my kitchen. How cute is this table setup, you guys? I love looking at their displays. I get so much inspiration. This fern potted plant is definitely the plant to get for 2021.
I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
If you need some kitchen chairs, definitely this like bamboo rattan look is super in right now. These chairs are $89.
Stop now, never let this end.
All right, you guys, if I had my own apartment by myself, I think this is what it would look like. It's totally beachy. It has that blue color I love.
She's literally wearing the color of this room right now.
We need to do an Instagram story.
We should.
So definitely go in these little decorated spaces at IKEA. You get a ton of inspiration. One thing I love they did here was to divide up this space from the bedroom to the living room. They actually put the headboard on where you would normally put your footboard, and that helps to give you like a little bit of divided space between your living room and bedroom. So in the kids section, their cups and bowls are such a good deal. You get 6 cups for $1.29, 6 bowls for $1.99. Newest IKEA lunchbox storage for 2021, you get either this circle one or they have a rectangular one. This one's $4.99. It has a lot of compartments. And this one is $1.99. Okay, so breaking news, I've never seen cleaning stuff at IKEA, and I just found they have a new little cleaning section in the bathroom. They have these little spray bottles, which you might not think that that's anything special, but they have these flat sides, so you can put them next to each other in like your cabinet, and they don't take as much space. So clever. So 99 cents for a squeegee. That's a great price. Definitely grab these at IKEA. They're good quality. They're great for your showers or for doing some weird DIYs. So this is a really fun paint technique. So put a bunch of different color paints on a piece of paper. Then you can use a squeegee to pull it down. It gives a really fun paint effect. You can do this with any project or any kind of paints. All right, you really can't beat their bath mat price. This is the one I'm loving for 2021. It's only $9.99. It's a great size for your vanity or in front of your shower. Here's the absolute best tote deal for 2021. This one is huge. It's plastic. It's kind of flimsy. I use it every day to carry things to my office. It's only $7.99 and it comes in 3 different colors. These rattan and wood mirrors look so high-end. They look like something from West Elm or Pottery Barn. Definitely worth checking out. And the prices are usually between $30 and $50. So if you watch any of my IKEA videos, you know I'm always over in the plant section. This is one of the newest ones for 2021. It's a gray, really nice pot. It's $6. If you want something larger, they also have another gray one that's $19.99. So here's the plants that I've bought in 2021 from IKEA that I think you need. I definitely love the cactus. You get 3 for $9.99. It's a great deal. And really you don't have to water them very much, so it's really hard to let them die. This is another plant that I have really good luck with. It hasn't died on me and I have a couple of these in my house. Let me know what items you're going to be shopping for at IKEA. I love knowing what you guys are picking up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can enter to win my Cricut Joy giveaway for the month of July. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.